Namaste, Namaskara, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Jigglypuff Shivani here. आज हम गए थे DMart and I wanted to show you all about DMart shopping. हमने क्या क्या देखा था, what sale is going on. There's a massive sale that was going on, so everything was slashed like at buy one get one free, 85% off. It's a real steal deal wala situation, and I was so happy. So as soon as we entered, we picked up these trolleys which were on the left side. This DMart is present at Bangalore Yelahanka, and the person who came outside in the beginning of the video, he said ki we need to first go and get our bags tagged. So we went, got our bags tagged, and then we came inside, picked out one huge trolley instead of two small ones. एंड आते ही वी सॉ दिस ब्रेड सेक्शन जहाँ पे कितने सारे ब्रेड्स है. दिस ब्राउन ब्रेड, मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड, स्वीट ब्रेड, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज आर एट स्लैश्ड प्राइसेस ऑफ लाइक 10% ऑफ ऑन MRP. आई थिंक 55 रुपीज़ का एक ब्रेड पाउंड आता है और उसमें वी पेड लिटरली 40-ish रुपीज़, विच इज़ रियली गुड एंड एट लाइक अ रियली लो प्राइस. सो उसके बाद वी सॉ दिस सेक्शन ऑफ बिस्किट्स जो बाय वन गेट वन फ्री पे थे. एंड आगे जाते हुए वी सॉ न्यूट्री चॉइस, सम पार्ले जी बिस्किट्स. ऑल ऑफ दीज वर एट ₹20, ₹50 ऑफ, एंड दैट वाज रियली कूल. बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ है दिस क्रैक जैक मोनाको. वैसे तो आई डोंट पिक अ लॉट ऑफ बिस्किट्स, बट आगे जाके व्हेन यू सी देयर वर सम जिम जैम एंड स्टफ. We also saw dry fruit section, and it was like on such a less price. I feel dry fruits के लिए you have to go to DMart for sure. You'll save a lot. And Dark Fantasy पे 82 rupees off थी, and कुछ बाकी सारे biscuits like Unibic and all was like a very very discounted price. बहुत सारे वेराइटीज़ ऑफ बिस्किट्स है, वेराइटीज़ ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट्स थी. पिस्ताशियो जैसे आपने देखा वो भी बहुत कम प्राइसेस में था. मॉम के साथ गई थी मैं, एंड वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग आउट ऑल द आयल्स जो हमें दिखी थी. यहाँ पे है कुछ वेफर्स, एंड आई सॉ दिस न्यू काइंड ऑफ वेफर विच इज़ बेसिकली वेफर नहीं बोलते इसे, इट्स अ पाई. This flavor was like a strawberry one, and this one was orange, which is so cool. I have never seen Lotti Choco Pies in that flavor. मैंने कभी try नहीं किया है वैसे, but I was just very excited. उसके बाद this section has to be like one of my favorites. I love having muesli, granola, cornflakes, oats. तो यहाँ पे these were at buy one get one off. So I thought कि I will pick millet muesli, but हमने वो वाला pick नहीं किया. It is at MRP 740, but buy one get one पे almost 50% price slash हुई थी. And even if you pick one of them, फिर भी वो discount applicable होता है. And then आगे we saw yoga bar देखे I had like a little bit of my mind में कि मुझे लेना है उसे, but I did not pick it as of yet. And then I picked up this dairy milk का milk treats because recently Galentine's पे मेरे friend ने दी थी और ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो आई जस्ट गॉट दिस, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो एट लाइक अ रियली गुड प्राइस. देन मम वाज टेकिंग अ लुक एट दिस एनश्योर पाउडर जो शायद प्रोटीन पाउडर या कुछ है. एंड आई वाज आल्सो सीइंग दिस आयल जहाँ पे दोस बोर्नवीटा, कॉम्प्लान वगैरह वगैरह सब चाइल्डहुड की याद आ गई व्हेन आई वाज सीइंग दिस. ऑल ऑफ इट एट रियली गुड प्राइसेस. कुछ like buy one get one pay. I found this yoga bar wala, so I picked up the dark chocolate cranberry one. Then went forward, saw these oil aisle जहाँ पे there was like coconut oil for local application hair के लिए and all of it. उसके बाद saw honey का rack. honey देखते ही उससे दूर हट गई because I don't want to get into it again. वैसे तो है घर पे, but I didn't want to pick it up. And we had to buy this red label natural care. This was also on a very good discount. We got the 500 grams wala. It was for I think 60 rupees off tha MRP में. And we saw this tea country tea bags in different kinds of flavors. And Tetley की जो ये है, it's a big pack of green tea bags which has vitamin C for immunity. This one also had a good price slash, but we were deciding between buying this tea country green tea one. I think it had something which मुझे याद नहीं है exactly, but ये वाला हमने decide किया कि we'll have the one which has a little bit of vitamin C immunity वाला. And then we also picked up some instant oats, which was at rupees, I think 96 off. And I was really tempted when I saw Kevin's milkshake क्योंकि कॉलेज की दिन याद आ गई थी. But we did not pick up this bada wala bottle, which was by the way at 50 rupees off. Instead, we picked up some Be Natural juice. I think guava या lychee flavor में हमने देखा था. And then मैंने ये छोटू सा Kevin's milkshake वाला देखा था. I saw this and I was really like, okay, let's take one of it. And we also took this मुझे strawberry milk. And going forward, saw this one, and mom was like super excited. She was just, stacking them one on the other and just showing कि ये देखो कैसे balance हो रहा है. It was so cute. तो उसके बाद we saw pink salt, which was for 99 rupees only, 1 kg वाला. तो we had to get this. And उसके बाद जो हमने देखा ये वाला जो मॉम ने उठाया है ना, that is on buy one get one free. So उसने that thing we took. And उसके बाद आगे जाके we saw this whole stack of spices. It's just spices. You can get clove, cardamom, star anise, uh, everything like tamarind से लेके जो भी spices लगती है ना kitchen में सब था. And there was also this aisle जहाँ पे there were other spices from different brands like Tikhalal and a lot more. We saw some instant pack वाली aisle जहाँ पे हमें मिलती है ये रवा इडली mix and dosa mix, all of this. यहाँ से हमने उठाया I think मसाला रवा इडली. And mom also took this jar जो मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि वो क्या है. मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm gonna see you guys in the comment section. आप बताओ कि वो क्या था. That beautiful looking vase jar. And then we saw this really soft microfiber towels which were so beautiful, and it's really good multi-purpose हो जाएगा. So we picked up this one from this aisle. And we were also seeing more on like towels and mini napkins kind of thing, and really beautiful and lovely patterns. Mom picked this one out because it was so cute and मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. I couldn't stop myself from getting that one. And then there was like a zigzaggy pattern one as well. And we saw this kitchen organizer slash pouch kind of a thing जो काफ़ी पुराने दिनों में this was very good and trendy. And हमने ये वाली ice tray ली है which is got cactus and little very cute prints. And I think it was for a very less price जो हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी. आगे जाके we saw some towels and then we saw some stole slash scarves जो हमने ले रखे. You'll see it in the video. We were just trying the different kinds and just feeling the materials. They were very soft, very nice. हमने जो पिक की है वो basically summerwear kinds है which is really good as well, as in like so cotton material सब अच्छा होगा. Then we saw some clip section. Clip section में we saw really pretty printed and lovely clips जो बहुत सारे varieties में थे and at a very good price too. कुछ clips different sizes में भी मिलते थे and ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. The variety, the shapes, the sturdiness और जो price point है उसके लिए तो हम ले ही सकते हैं. So it is really cool. I am picking out different kinds of clips, as in I'm trying to make sure कि I will select like the best ones that I see, and also the patterns shouldn't repeat. तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा वापस डाल दिया whichever I did not need. Mom picked up this really pretty stole for herself actually, and उसके बाद मैंने वो ले लिया because मुझे वो बहुत पसंद थी. And then I picked up these clips here. They are of really cute shapes and sizes and I wanted them, so मैंने वो लिया. Then I was just exploring the t-shirt section where I found really pretty printed t-shirts. यहाँ पे t-shirts were I think at 149 rupees, which is such a steal deal. और ऐसे good quality cotton, pure cotton t-shirts जो हमारे size की हो वो काफ़ी सही है. And this is me just posing with my favorite jar, that is Nutella jar. और मैं Nutella पूरी aisle दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पे just for fun and nautanki. We did not pick it by the way. Then going forward we saw such cute printed water bottles जिस पे बहुत सारी cute prints है like fox prints and cat prints. Lovely colors, lovely design and very cost friendly as well. Love these prints of leaves and कुछ sport bottles थे. Some fridge bottles were there. All of them at like 40 rupees off, 39 rupees off. This is the glass bottle section और यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें थी. Loved the crockery also. Such beautiful prints. There was ceramic crockery. There was crockery in glass and very very good. Like this flower ko dekho. It is so aesthetic and beautiful. Love the prints, and they're also very affordable, guys. Like if you're somebody who can handle glass and like glass crockery, definitely go here and check it out. I'm telling you, you will not, if you just go to DMart and you go over here or any of that section, if you're a foodie or if you want to buy something, you'll not go home empty handed, that's for sure. उसके बाद हमने ये check out किया. These are the flower section. It's basically artificial flowers only, but so beautiful. And जो कप्स की सेक्शन थी, यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे क्यूट प्रिंटेड सिंगल कलर्ड वाले कप्स, ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर रुपीज़ 100, 99, 119. Very very aesthetic, beautiful. And look at this glass cup. Mom बता रही थी कि whenever I make my cold coffee I should use glasses like these. Personally, I stay away from glasses like these because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं उसे गिरा दूँगी या it'll just break. But still, if you're someone who likes collecting these things also, it's such a beautiful one. Like look at this. उसके बाद we saw this bowl जिस पे lid है. It was for rupees 79, made of glass and airtight. So good, so nice. बहुत सारे डोसा तवास, चपाती तवास and पड्डू के तवास हमने देखा, which is non-stick, and some of them I think were made of iron as well, but mostly it was non-stick. Then we saw this lunch ka dabba, which has a base of like a stainless steel one, and the top is got this tight locking system, like four locks. Really nice, compact, and very very beautiful. This dabba I liked. It's got like two compartments, and it also has a four lock system which looks really nice. First compartment में दो divisions है और नीचे भी कुछ एक division है where you can put rice. This is a smaller डब्बा. This is also airtight. It's got this ऊपर वाला जो आपको दिख रहा है ना grey में, that I think is just to keep the heat going, insulated dabba basically. And then we saw this nice kadhai wherein you can make mini idlis. Going forward, saw so many dabbas. This is one in that peach color. Then we saw some gas stoves which were only for rupees 2999 और कुछ थे 1899 पे. This is a fridge organizer. इस पे हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें रख सकते हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वेजीज हो गया, या यू कैन पुट इन फ्रूट्स. You can also use it to organize your makeup as well if you're into it. Then we saw these dabbas and some more dabbas. One of it is more like a Tupperware, sort of a pseudo Tupperware dabba, and this one was egg box. उससे पहले जो हमने देखा था वहाँ पे you can store more fruits or veggies. I like the egg box. It looks really nice and keeps all the eggs together instead of keeping it in like a carton dabba. And this dabba can be used for organizing your medicines, or you can put in stationery. There are two compartments again to keep everything really separate and well organized. I love organizers. Just makes any space really well put and very very good looking and clean as well. Then we saw this basket and another basket. One was more of like a flowery one and one had a leaf. इस पे आप दिख रहा है ना, there's a cut. So you got to be really careful when you pick up the things also in DMart. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना that there is some damage, you need to just have a keen eye for it. एंड ये दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. द फर्स्ट वन दैट यू सॉ इन ग्रे, वेरी स्टर्डी. सेकेंड वन जो आपको दिख रहा है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रिटी गुड एंड स्टर्डी, द ट्रांसपेरेंट वन. Then we saw storage boxes which were for rupees 149. Very sturdy Tupperware kind of boxes, and they were really really spacious as well, 5.5 liters. This is a pen stand, and before that the boxes that we saw, those are also just for organizing too. All of this section is just for organizers, guys. इसमें हम लोग fruits डाल सकते हैं, और if you have makeup brushes आप उसमें you can put in those things as well. Really good. Then we saw some bags and makeup pouches slash beauty pouches slash any pouch that you want to call it. Bags were at a very very good price. Like I haven't seen prices like this outside. 85% off, 50% off, really good. After this, we checked out wash bags. I love wash bags because one, it is really mess free, and two, it holds a lot of things. And prices भी काफी अच्छे थे, and it is transparent, so you can basically see अंदर क्या है. And this was the last section we checked out, guys. इसके बाद we went to billing, and whatever I purchased, my part of the haul, I will be showing it in a separate video which is going live next week. So stay tuned for the DMart haul, and with that, I'm ending this video. I love you guys. You guys have been so amazing, so supportive, and I want to take a minute just to thank all of you. आपकी वजह से मुझे बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलती है to make videos, and I also feel like this is one of those places where I shine the best. So keep supporting me and show all your love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye and take care.